What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to be breaking down how I plan on selling. What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to be breaking down how I plan to make $30,000 a month selling ceramic coatings this year. I'm going to break through the system, the ads, the back end, the follow-up processes. This company I partnered with, not a scammy ad agency. They're partnered with 70 plus detailers all over the country. They're growing fast. They're a partner in your business, so they're not scamming you out of any marketing. What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to be breaking down my system of how I'm going to make $30,000 a month with only ceramic coatings this year. We're doubling down. We're going all in on ceramics, high ticket stuff. I think a lot of people in my paid group and my free group, along with just everybody watches on YouTube, is super interested in high ticket just because of the more margins and more money can be made in a quicker time rather than doing a lot of volume of low ticket jobs. I break down the ads, the process for follow ups and the company I partnered with to help me get there. Check it out. It's like a 7-minute long video. Definitely worth the watch. And I'll see you guys at the end. Yeah, I'm going to go through kind of the ceramic coatings. It's been a big push for us this year is ceramic coatings, and we're kind of just getting into the push because it's about to be busy season. Um, this is our pricing. So we offer 5-year or 10-year, and then based on how much paint correction they need, it's it goes up a little bit. So what's kind of generally $100 an hour for paint correction is kind of the thought process. So like a one step, that's probably an hour to 3 step. It's going to be like 3+ hours. Showroom is basically all day. So like that's just like a 5, 6+ hour job. Um,
Yeah.
10-year, same thing, but a little bit more just because it's 10-year. And then
Okay.
we have a couple add-ons, glass rims, interior. This is the profit margin on each of them. So, like you can see, they're all 50% or above profit margin. This number on the right is what we make on each one, and that's with paying a guy to do it. So y'all's will be, if you're doing it yourself, that will be more for you, until you hire somebody to do it for you. But that's with
Mm.
paying my paint correction guy. He also does the coating. Um, So you can see 50 to, almost 70% profit margins on these. Pretty solid.
So
So that's,
that's the ending is what you make, what you take home then basically, right?
yep, this number right here.
Let me ask you a question. I'm sorry for cutting you off. What ceramic coating you use?
We use Suncoat,
Uncoat. Okay.
and it's made for mobile detailing. So it's made to be, applied in kind of all weather. It has $100 or 100-degree rating. So obviously if it's over 100 degrees, and you would never coat something if it's that hot anyway.
Yeah, of course.
But, you know, it's a pretty good coating. They make a 5-year and a 10-year. It's warranted. So it's pretty nice. And it's pretty
Nice.
easy to get approved as like an installer. So if anybody's interested in that, I could hook you up with the guy's name is Gunner down there at Suncoat. Here is basically the back end. So they use Go High Level 2, the same software that we use for the detailing business in a box. So all the leads
Mm-hmm.
come in here, but you get assigned basically a qualifier or a setter, which is basically like a front desk person. Mine's Rachel. So every day we'll get leads in here. You can see she's already called the ones for today. Then they call them twice a day, every day for 5 days. So if they don't answer, obviously if they answer, they'll get put in different buckets over here.
Yeah.
But like the most powerful part, like so, if you run these yourself, you're gonna get some leads. Depending on how good they are, is kind of up in the air. But they also qualify them. So like say like we had a lead in here for like a 1999 Camry or something. That one doesn't qualify. So she called them, and they said their budget was way like $200. They were just looking for a detail, so that I never even got that call. So they
Mm.
pre-qualify everybody for you. Also, the form they use on the Facebook page on the Facebook ad because they run your ads for you too. So the form they use also qualifies people and disqualifies people based on the car, their price range, that kind of thing. But another powerful thing is they follow up with them twice a day, every day for the first 5 days if they don't answer. If they don't answer after that, they get dropped into like a nurture sequence. Where they keep getting like texts and emails. But like these five, I called. They needed to like this guy I called yesterday. He said call me back today. I called him today, didn't answer, so I left a message. So I'll call him again tomorrow. Um, Same thing with Cameron with the Porsche Panamera. And you see like all these cars are very qualified. Corvette, Porsche, Mercedes. That's a Challenger. 2013, that paint's going to be kind of rough, but Challenger makes sense. And another Corvette. So like very in line with getting ceramic coated. These are the calls that she transferred to me. So what she does is when she calls somebody, she'll get the year, the make, model, color, um, and what they're interested in, which is ceramic coating, because that's the ad we're running. And then she transfers them live to me. So I get a call. She's like, "Hey, Bruce, got Cameron on the line here. He's got a Corvette, a black Corvette, looking for ceramic coating in, whatever part of the city I'm in." And I'm like, "All right, thanks,
Hmm.
Rachel." She connects us both together. She said, "Hey, Cameron, I got Bruce on the line here. He's ready to talk more about ceramic coatings with you." And then I pick it up from there. I say, "Cameron, man, how you doing?" And then it's just me doing the sales pitch, and she gets off the line.
Yeah.
So she
Okay.
pre-qualifies them, patches them to me. That's how we booked. Last week, my very first sales call, I booked this one right here for 1,000, which I upsold him on the rims and the glass as well. And then not long after, got this one for Monday for 900. So like, so far, very qualified people are coming in.
Okay.
You're aiming for about a 10% conversion rate, and this long follow-up sequence it makes it so much better. Like, because like normally, if I was running these myself or any other detailer, you're going to call them once, maybe twice, and then if they don't answer, they might just be gone.
Yeah.
But with
Yeah.
this system, she's calling them twice a day, every day until they pick up. Now, if they don't pick up after the fifth day, you're probably going to lose them anyway. But you're just having a lot of touch points with the people, as well as they're super qualified and in the market for detail or for ceramic coating, like all these cars are. um, this one's up in the air. I'm calling him back later this week. And like that's another like if I'm on the phone, you get a dedicated messenger chat with her. So like this is mine, Rachel. And like I'll be like, I'm calling this guy so that way she doesn't call her or call him. Then like he
Okay.
told me on the phone, like, "Hey, I'm busy right now. Can you call me back?" So I said, just need to call him back later this week. And that was Wallace Russell. So if you go over here for follow up, he should be in right here. So follow up with Wallace Russell here. So like she tracks everything on the back end for you. You just message her in
Mm.
here and keep her updated. And she does the same to me. Like she's like, just called Eric, no answer, left a voicemail. So we'll call him again. I think he's on the follow back. Eric right here, like follow up
Mm.
sequence. So like everything's pretty
Okay.
very organized. Whenever you book somebody, they're here. Um, and there's a bunch of different, kind of campaigns that are all in here. Like this one will be after they're done with the 5 days. If they don't answer, they'll get dropped here, which is that, you know, nurture sequence drip campaign. The ads look something like this. And they help you, they make the ad for you. You send them, if you have footage, you can send them footage, or they can use some footage they already have. You can see like we've got 19 leads and we've only been running it like less than a week. Yeah, 5 days. So it didn't even run very much it spent $6 this day. So like that doesn't even, or no, wait, that's total. Oh, still, yeah, $6 total and per lead. So that was a small day. Every other day, you know, 4 leads, four, five, five. So, and you're aiming for about a 10% conversion rate. So out of these, we need to get two, which I've already got that. Um,
Okay. Nice.
but yeah, I mean, it's going really good. I can't really recommend. I mean, again, I've only been using them for a week, but so far it's impressed me, and it's only going to get better too because I'm on the $30 a day, but their flagship program is $100 a day. So you're aiming for a $10 conversion rate or a cost per conversion, and I think we're at five. Yeah, $6 per result. So I mean, I hope that stays the same. But even if it went to 10, it would still be fine. And if once you start, if I triple our ad spend, I can get 3 times the leads, 3 times the closes. But I was just testing it with $30 a day to start. But I'll probably be bumping it up to 100 next month.